probably hasn't come out to show her beautiful face often. She's 3.5 years old. She was an owner surrender. I'll note why in the video description. But she's just a gem here. She's this is my type of dog. She's really gonna blossom. You're gonna have a fun time building her confidence and teaching her behaviors. And she's just gonna love being back in a home environment. She came out here and was interested in the treat, so she's going to be food motivated, which is going to make teaching those behaviors that much easier. And if you can't tell, she's just a beautiful girl. She does like being out here checking things out, and she's easily checking me out. She was taking food from my hand and sniffing, and just a really gentle spirit who has been here since October and doesn't have much time. So she needs a new home as soon as possible. So come on down to North Central and check out Maddie. Yeah.